All right, good morning. It is March 23rd and 8:39 a.m. Just took my first scalp here. See what happens with this. Boy, hopefully make it to the 29. She will be right over here. Gonna put 3 orders there to close this trade that I have now in the process. And then short three contracts from there. So I'll close one and open 2 new ones. And hopefully I can finish up my trading day relatively quickly, as I don't want to. I have a lot of things to do today. And so it is 8:30. And you're looking at it live. Here we go. It's going to trigger me now. Come on. It's right here where I have those 3 contracts. You know what? Let me actually, might even put it right there. So that'll give me $130 right there, right there. Okay, got triggered. Now we are shorting. So I already made 130. And I have 2 contracts short, which I'm gonna move the stop loss there. Okay, so what I did is that I closed those 2. He only gave me $20 and opened one more contract back up. The play that I was trying to do is a strategy when you have this type of price action where you can see a definite move to the upside. But it didn't move. I moved my stop loss way too fast. So it didn't work as I wanted it to work. So we keep riding this team back up again because the momentum is definitely wanting to go to this high now, 35s. And we put another contract there. Actually, I'm gonna put it at 32. I don't think. See how that goes. Okay, we're almost there. Come on, push. All right, so I closed that order. Now I have 230 in. And I have 2 resting. It only closed my contract, but it did not trigger my other it didn't trigger. Remember, I put 3 contracts there. So one closed up long position and 2 would have opened the short position. And let me see, do I want to stay now short now that I did not? Went in. Now this is all scalping techniques. You see a bit, I wish I would have got this filled because, let's see, might still be able to get filled. Yeah, there we are. Now this one, as I thought, have a lot of pressure there. So I'm gonna watch this closely because it pushed with a lot of intensity and didn't like that. See, we haven't taken any of these lows in a very while long. Yeah, it's gonna push. I mean, this is due for a pullback, but the buying is real. If we look at this, so at this point, my entry was right here. If I take this loss, I'll be giving back what I made. Which I probably should, because uh, see, that's what I was shorting. Not at the top of the range. That's the top of the range. I should have put my short there. And there you got really intense. And I'm moving it up because I don't think it needs to reset. Um, it needs to reset, and then when they start taking all this short, I wouldn't be surprised if we push this to the low side here. Now we can see that the buyers are being absorbed right now because we are at the top. We got to this point right there. Now, where I sold actually, it's probably now a place for, oops, this buying is very intense. So this is going to be probably a place of support now. So I might get a chance to take a decision at this point once I get to the 32s. Yeah, there's a lot of absorption. Look at this. Buyers wants to keep climbing. They're getting pounded by the bears. There you go. So that was a giant order. Whenever you see those pops like that, it's a big player they are selling going in my direction. So I'm going to anticipate. Well, what I'm not going to do, because if this thing bounces, it will take me out nasty. It's going to go up really big. So what I'm going to do, I might just close this. If this thing climbs all the way back there, well, let me leave it at the high. So now I'm risking if it takes me out of there. We'll see. So right now, if it takes this high, the chances that it's going to be holding this as support are very strong. Ooh, nice. You see, they're puking. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Nice. Yeah, let me close this tray. Let me see. What do you guys think? Okay, got rid of that stop loss. I'm gonna stop it manually. This is a good puke. You see, I was confident because whenever you see all of these, it indicates stop losses are going to be hunted. I want to take this stop right here. So I made $750 and it's 851. Okay, it's 851. There's a big chance this thing will continue to go to this low, but because we are at a BWAB, that's why I took that short. I closed right here because it did push through BWAB, and this might be a good spot. If you are a buyer, look at this power candle here. It came right from here. That's exactly what I sold. And it pushed from this level through BWAP. And so they're going to be buyers. Chances are, let me see, it's going to continue lower based on this, what is happening here and how the delta is highlighting the pressure to the downside. But at this point, I think I went in the red. How much? Like $300, $400 at one point. Then I was at 500 and change. Yeah, it's gonna go down. Well, maybe not. I just want to secure the $750. Yeah, I think it's gonna keep pushing to the downside. Maybe I'll just cut this video now. Go take a shower. I woke up really late today, and got breakfast and just came here to trade. Let me see. I think we're gonna go lower. Let me put one contract just so that I don't risk much. Right there. Actually, even there, and I'm gonna put the stop loss right there. So if we get triggered at 23, let me put it at 23.25. I want to capture the next part of this drop all the way down here. Okay, got triggered. Let's see if it works. 25, 35. Yeah, I think it's gonna go lower. Let's see. Although we will need a serious push. If we get like a serious print of bids being taken out, then we may have a chance to make another 100, 200 bucks. But we need to break these lows here. If we don't break these lows, we're going back up. Yep, we're going down. Let's see. So where I have my stop loss now, it will be $95. Nope, got rejected. We're gonna go back up. Although it's forming a nice tight range. Now it got rejected, but we still haven't taken these highs. Now we did. Yep. So this support held for now. Now I am risking 95 bucks, which, do I want to have a stop loss there? Let me reevaluate. I'm willing to risk a little more. I already made 750, so let's put it on right there. See if these serve as resistance. Okay, let's see if that's what happens. If it does, and now I'm risking 145. I'm gonna do 155. I'm okay with risking 155. That will put me, no, let's do it on the net. That way I'll still finish with 600. Let's see. Also, I gotta pay attention, what kind of formation overall are we forming? Because overall, if we look at higher time frames, these movements are just noise, right? Because we're still making higher lows right here, right here, right here. And if this is a possible higher low, then we might push all the way to the top and break out of the range of this range and go to the top of this range. So I need to see some violent move to the downside very soon, coming to revisit this low. If it doesn't happen, maybe I should just take this 35 bucks now. Let's see. I'm really doing this trade for whatever. No need. So maybe I can get 200 more and make $1,000, but gross. There you go. There you go. Come on. That's what I was hoping, that this was just a trap. You see, people who are going long, they start seeing this formation and they start thinking it's going up. But also, this is a valid trend line that they're buying right now. We can move it right there if you want. I like to put it like right there. Okay, I'm 60. See, people are buying this as support. Hmm. Now we have an outside bar. I think I'm gonna take this lost right now. I'm not gonna. If you see the direction, sometimes this is a good spot to short. So yeah, it needs to break now. Now the trend line is right at VWAP too. It's patience. Sometimes it's just sitting around. I'm walking you through this trade so you can see my process, my thinking. You see, it did work out. And now I should be making the 1,000. I'm gonna bring this and secure. That puts me $60 in. We're 100. Yep, 200. Yep. Let me close. Let me close. Okay. I just took that and 970, 1,010, 970. I'm $30 from the 1,000 net. Yeah, what do you think? Greed? $30 from the 1,000 net. Perfect morning, guys. You know, this is the thing about trading. Um, you don't know. You don't know. You really don't know. Nobody, no one. I have never. It's just not. I don't think it's possible that you can be that you can know exactly what he's doing. All you get is clues and ideas based on what is currently happening in front of you. But that's about it. You know, uh, every day is different. Every day the markets behave completely different, and sometimes sometimes the trades work, sometimes the trades don't work. And in this case, today it was beautiful. You saw that live. you're predicting, you're anticipating based on the price action, based on the aggression, based on the levels, and it works. But sometimes it doesn't work. And that's when it gets frustrated, where you need to have enough confidence in your system to when it doesn't work, not because you're doing it wrong. Well, sometimes you are doing it wrong, but sometimes you do everything by the book, you're doing everything as it's supposed to, and you still don't seem to make it happen, don't seem to make it work. And so the biggest mistake 99% of people make at that point is they give up. And you can't do that. You have to stay focused and keep trading, you know, focus and trading. Hold on. All right. All right. So I guess you were watching it as I was adjusting it. I was trying to get rid of this because it really doesn't really matter, this column. But I guess you're watching me adjusting. Sometimes I have OBS in what is called studio mode, where I can adjust stuff in one screen before it goes live. But I realized I had, you see, like now I have it in a studio mode, so I can do these nice things to do transitions of images in and out. And I forgot I had it on regular mode. Anyway, that's my recap, guys. It took me 20 minutes. I'm really 20, 30 minutes, 25 minutes to make $1,000. 970 today. Now, mind you, this might sound like a lot, but tomorrow, like yesterday, I end up, let me see, where is that? I did my hedging. This is the second day I trade this week, by the way. I haven't traded all week. And yesterday, where is it? Let's see. I'm going to show you what was yesterday. I think I have it here. Yes, I have it right here. Okay, before, yeah, I guess you can see the whole thing. It doesn't matter. Let me put it right there. There you go. So look, yesterday I traded the news, and basically my entries did not work. So my strategy for news yesterday did not work. And what worked is an advanced technique of hedging. For those of you trading futures out there, before the expiration of a contract of the month that you're in, the next month contract is already tradable. And a lot of people don't know, especially new traders don't know, that you can trade both contracts and hedge. So one you can go long and the other one you can go short. So what I did yesterday when I went into my trades and noticed immediately that it did not work on my second monitor, I played the opposites. So I was hedging pretty much. So a lot of money went out of the account, but then it came back because of the hedge. So I was lucky to finish in green, not with much, but only $100 net, $112 net yesterday. So that didn't really do anything. It didn't move the needle. But I was able to save the losing trades. At some point, I was like at $2,000 in the red on the main screen, but I was about almost $2,000 in the green on the other contract. So at the end of the day, when I closed those trades, I took about 12 trades in less than 30 minutes or maybe a 45-minute span. And I was able to save those losses with the hedge. Now today, as we just saw, today was a different story. I took three. We're looking at 5 trades, all of them positive. Largest winning was 520, average winning trade $200. This is how we're supposed to trade. I wish it can be like this every day, but it's not like this every day. Today I feel good. Today I'm awake. Today I'm only doing this for a few minutes. So you're sharp. You can get tuned in with the market. But it's when you spend too many hours that your brain begins to see things that are not there, and you begins to make mistakes unnecessarily. But when you see it and it's the right time of the day, and you can understand, it's what Mark Douglas called trading in the zone. This morning I was trading in the zone. I felt like I knew what the market was trying to do. I felt like I was comfortable with the levels, and so I was able to capitalize more than I wanted, more than my target for the day, and close it with this profit. Okay, so no losses, 5 winnings, and pretty much a perfect day. Perfect day. 5 trades, 5 wins, 970 for the day. So yeah, that's it, guys. Now is when your greed level begins to kick in. Now we have a very nice head and shoulder pattern, and you start thinking, well, I have 970. All I need is just a quick scalp of 40, 50 bucks, and I round it up, right? I'll round it up. I'm considering, it's a good spot. Let's see what this candle does. Yeah. It's gonna go to the top now. All right, let's see. If I get triggered in, I get triggered in, but no, it's gonna go to the top. See, the thing is, like I said earlier, the market doesn't move like this all the time. It doesn't move like this all the time. So I'm not gonna mess with this. I'm really pushing it. It's 9:15, and in 15 minutes the market is gonna open. So everything you're seeing right now is going to change because of the open. So thank you very, very, very much for being here. Another day trading with the chart mentor. If you're interested, any questions, just shoot me, leave your comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, help me make this channel reach a large number of people because I truly believe we have the secret sauce to at least be consistent when managing risk the right way in the markets. So, thank you very much. And until next time, God bless.